Hi everyone, my name is Clem Francisco, the owner of Banana Fiber Straws Company that advocates environmental protections and aims to support local banana farmers. It manufactures a biodegradable straws that main aim is to replace petroleum-based materials into eco-friendly substances and eventually reduce carbon footprint. I am planning to apply the consumer or buyer-oriented marketing philosophy because the reasons behind the creation of the straw is to make everyone go green and live green in much greener way. My market was segmented through geographic and demographic profile, and the company's pricing strategy used is competitive based pricing to make sure the affordability of the straws within line to competitors' price. My company will sell a banana fiber straws, a biodegradable straw that aims to replace petroleum-based material with eco-friendly substances and eventually reduce carbon footprint. These biodegradable straws will be sold to milk tea shops, juice bars, and other food and beverages establishments. In my business, I will be applying the SMART goals, wherein I will be specific that the Banana Fiber Straw Company will offer biodegradable straw as an alternative straw to traditional petroleum-based straws that is currently available in the market. The straws will be sold at an affordable price, either per piece or per box. It has a simple and nature-friendly packaging design and concept that secures product safety and condition. It can also be in cold or hot drinks in 2 hours, which this reveals that my straws has a durability. I am aware that my competitors will be paper straws, reusable plastic straws, wheat straws, paper straws, and bumper straws. In 5 years, this venture will grow and still have the consumers and online presence. In 5 years, we will have increased productions of straws in 120 millions of straws every year. We will have 3 hectares of banana plantations. We will reach 5 countries internationals and maintain as the number 1 producers and manufacturers of banana fiber straws. We will still innovate, maintain creativity, and produce biodegradable product to support reducing the carbon footprint. As a business owner, it is important to know your business, market, and demand of your consumers. Remember to always satisfy and have relevancy and importance to them. So, I will be adapting the market analysis strategies. Knowing where market is important, SWOT analysis will help me determining my market and my matters to the consumers. So, for potential target market, I will be targeting the food and drink shops and establishment as a potential target market, like milk tea shop owners. At first, the scope of the target market will be around Bay Laguna and other nearby cities. For market segmentation, my company will do geographical type and demographical type of segmentation because it is often one to the easiest way to identify target market, to group consumers or market with regards to the physical location, sales and income, type and the number of straws used per day and supporting an eco-friendly product. It is important to apply the Porter's 5 and the 4-piece or 7-piece instead. For me, to forecast everything involved on my business, wherein our main product is biodegradable straws that will be distributed in all food and drink establishments in Bay and all nearby cities. My straws will be affordable and can be bought for small, medium, large boxes in all different sizes that will cater juices, frappuccinos, milk teas, and boba teas. And promoting our product, we will be using advertising campaigns, posters, and video clips, then posting it online through Facebook, Instagram, websites, and other social media platforms. Also, by doing personal selling through visiting food and drink shops or establishments. I will be applying also the supply chain management to sustain my business, produce quality products to be always available to the market, and well experienced and satisfied by my consumers. Wherein it will start from a simple banana truck, which supplies by my banana farmers that I am invested, then go to the process of productions like extractions, fiber removal, mixing, quality inspection, packaging, distribution to distributors, resellers, buyers, and posted it in all social media business platforms like Shopee, and Lazada, and my website, and full experience by my drink lovers in food and drinks establishment. My business aim to help local business owners and help our conscious about proper segregations and reducing carbon footprints since our straws are easily decomposed because it was made on all organic materials. As you can see, supply chain management help the supplier manufacturer to reduce their expenses by operating more efficient. When operations become more complex with these, they are able to buy the resources and perform financial, inventory, and operational management. And also supply chain management helps me boost my business in terms of logistic management, managing the increase of sales, market appeals, and gain more ideas, development, and innovation through its operations. And as a young entrepreneur, supply chain management is very important because with this, I can be efficient and effective on my clients. I can have products to offer and gain my return on investments. I am blessed on the hard work and effort that I put in. Basically, without supply chain management, I will not experience customer satisfaction, repeat orders, and good rate and feedbacks if I will not plan and implement it on my business. It is important because supply chain management makes the work becomes clear, feasible, implementable, and cost efficient with its process from raw materials that needs to be material cost friendly and quality suppliers who supplies your materials to manufacturers who make the quality products, package, product cost friendly and distribution to retailers who sell the products and become accessible to its target market, to consumers who experience the product, satisfy their needs and wants, then create feedback and decide if they want another experience. I will also be applying a great entrepreneurial mindset and a great attitude. Passion and determination is a great attitude, so we shall be consistent performing this every day, in every opportunity and challenges. And of course, change is the only constant in the world. We'll need to have development on knowledge, strategies, and character. So we need to ride the tide or cut the curve. We develop our capabilities and capacities, continuing what we start, what our vision, mission, and goals. Then when needed, that's where we innovate on our industry, performance, products, and services, critical thinking, and vision. With smart goals ahead, for sure, with this core of entrepreneurial mindset, I will be successful and impactful to my people, customers, community, and economy. And this helped me grow as a business owner. Again, I am Clean Francisco and hope you to get a chance to be inspired and motivated helping our environment.